If you've ever dreamed of earning passive income on complete autopilot, this will be the most important video you've ever watched. So, watch full video to find out how. Check the description box for amazing money-making hacks, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Now let's jump to the video. How do we answer this big question? For anyone who wants to earn money, what is the most important question? What are people looking to buy? Do you agree? Everything would be solved if we knew what people wanted. Just creating those products would be enough to make profits. What about this? Let's get people to create the products they want. I think that would be awesome. In today's world, stores on demand are one of the most important trends, and they are at an all-time high. The print-on-demand industry has grown by 12% over the past years. Furthermore, the global print-on-demand market size was estimated at $4.91 billion in 2022, and is expected to reach $6.17 billion in 2023. There's an ongoing demand for unique products and personalization options for today's consumers. Print-on-demand services offer an easier way to bypass the time, investment, and risk associated with managing inventory, helping to create custom products at a fraction of the cost of manufacturing them on your own. With print-on-demand, you don't pay for the cost of the product until after you've actually sold it. This is what the on-demand store is all about. It's a store where customers can easily design their own products. They can create products including their company logo and their own designs. The possibilities are endless. With the designer software provides in the store, visitors can design, upload images, use clip art and search images in an archive of thousands of photos, ideas, and more. The store is now able to offer drag-and-drop canvas technology as well as print-on-demand services that are connected to the store, making what was once impossible a reality. That's not all. Aside from selling the products and allowing visitors to customize them, you can also create and sell your own brand. Your designs can be sold in the store too, so you can create the products you want according to your style or ideas. As for the profit margins of the custom products as well as designed products, you are able to choose yourself. A few clicks and on-demand store is ready to go. The best part is that orders and deliveries will be handled automatically without any intervention from you. On-demand store also has the built-in feature to promote any product instantly to the best social traffic networks to generate traffic. So, if you love making money and also love to automate your work, check the link below in description to learn more about on-demand store. I'm sure you'll love it. In the end, don't forget to check the description box to earn big money instantly, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.